Hi everyone, my name is Natalie, I'm founder of Dressarte, and welcome back to another video. In the previous episode, I was sharing my journey of designing my own wedding dress online with Dressarte, and if you haven't checked it yet, I will link it somewhere here. As you know by now, like many other couples, we had to postpone our ceremony due to COVID, and we decided to go for a small ceremony together with our parents and siblings. So for this special occasion, I wanted to design something beautiful and versatile that I would be absolutely able to be wearing on multiple occasions after the wedding day. So today I will be sharing with you the items I designed together with my Dressarte team and how I styled them on a regular basis. And I do hope this inspires you to go for a non-traditional wedding outfit and decide something you've been dreaming about. Just like me, I've been dreaming about having a high-quality tweed jacket for many years, and I thought that would be a very good occasion for me to finally make my dream come true. And I wear a lot this jacket, and I love pairing it with jeans, white t-shirt, ballerinas, and it's very comfy and chic at the same time. As it's a suit, I also have a pair of beautiful tweed pants in my wardrobe. And I tend not to wear jacket and pants together, but if I do, I like wearing a t-shirt underneath to dress it down a little bit. And I also love pairing my tweed pants with a black jacket and trench to create a more interesting look. And although I don't wear a lot of dresses these days, this one turned out to be super versatile and one of my favorite pieces ever. As always, thanks for watching, and please do subscribe, like and share this video with your friends who might like Dressarte or getting married or just looking for, something extraordinary. So thanks for watching and see you soon.